The owner bought this LC-100 for $80,000 2 years ago. Facing such a financial product, the owner chose to treat it as a new car. He seemed to own the whole world. So aging collapses? But that's okay. Let this off-road living fossil be reborn. This car is particularly valuable, no matter the desert, or city roads, or are you trekking? He won't leave you on the road. Fans demand authenticity, still this color or this version. It's okay. The first step to clean this beam is no particularly serious rust. Like a rusted screw, rest assured alone. This exhaust pipe is rotten. Rinse off the mud and sand on the surface of the girder first. Then completely decompose Dalian. Decompose a large amount simultaneously. Some sounds. Yellowknife cat playing alone. Toyota engines are still old. The top of this piston is pulled yellow and pulled yellow. But what about this piston? It's all pulled. Beam grinding and rust removal. Just reapply the anti-rust paint. All renovations in Russia. Off-road vehicles? The most important thing is the performance of the chassis. Ultrasonic cleaning. paint of the whole car is also arranged. I just want to hear from you again. You won't do anything. That is a one-to-one restoration, according to the owner's requirements. It took nearly 20 years of power. Yeah, I do. Loaded. This love. Case I know, yeah. You have passed by. Beside me. Toyota SUV. Only with the original label can it rival the quasi-new car. Finish the gilded car. The effect of wet water is nothing to say. Vintage and classic S1004700 full car ready. Are you handsome? Oops, so silky. See if this gap is consistent. This thing is all about heart. Materials that take time to put into place. Let's check our interior and door panel again. All seats restored 1-to-1. The eyes brighten. It's mind-blowing. No, I'm going out for a drive. Very happy. as long as it can cool smile.